Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to remove home address on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove home address on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. After opening your Google Maps application on your phone, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on over there, and this kind of interface will open when you tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And on this interface you can see the option where it says your data in maps just above the settings. Tap on the option where it says your data in maps, and this kind of interface will open where you'll be required to scroll down, and you can see guys over here where it says home and work address. I have not set the work address, but I had set the home address. Now to remove your home address on your Google Maps, tap on the home button over here, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the remove button available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on remove, and that you can see that address has been removed, and you can choose another address over here by going to the map. And if you tap on the choose map, you'll be able to select your home from over here, or not, just tap on cancel and your home address will be changed. And with that being said guys, this is how to remove home address on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.